work on putting together a little update video. I finally got my wideband working, and as you can see, I actually washed the car. It actually cleans it pretty good when there's not 5W30 caked all over the hood and the roof and whatnot. Yeah, I got the fenders rolled on my last video. It's a lot better as far as like bottoming out and scraping and the edges eating into the tires. I do have a slight issue when I'm turning all the way and going over bumps. It does rub something in there. I need to figure that out when I can. But yeah, let's get in here and start tuning. It's exciting to actually have a working wideband and see what my AFRs are. And for those of you that have been following, I have done multiple oil changes since my rod bearing issue. I want to say 3 oil changes, and this is of course my 3rd filter, and it seems to be all good. And in an upcoming video, screen's fogging up, hold on. In a video really soon, I want to hook up my 2-wire IAC valve, because this is a Y7, it had a 3-wire. So on cold starts, it just stalls out like that, right? So if I hook up the correct IAC valve, which I have already, to the back of the intake manifold, I can control the idle and the, you know, the IAC, the idle air compensation. So I'm going to work on that because I'm tired of this cold idle dying that it does. I got to kind of rev it up until it warms up and it won't die anymore. So let's get this up and alright, let's get Chrome up and running. Let's see here. Whoa, AFR looks crazy. It's like flickering. Okay, it's smoothing out. Oh yeah, man, it's really dark. Crap. Okay, read. Here we go. All right, let's. I'm gonna go ahead and go on my little test drive route that I got. Make a pull without even touching the table. Whoa, focus. Focus. Okay, I'm gonna make a pull without adjusting the table just to see where the AFRs have been, because I was telling y'all that I'm confident they were close, at least 11.5, if not richer, and I'm gonna show you that the AFRs are good. But here, it's still like a 9 psi, and all I'm gonna do is basically tune it, and then, you know, baby steps, 9, 12, 14, 15, and, you know, work my way up to 25, maybe hell 30 psi. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna make sure the tune is good at 9, 10 psi, and maybe over the weekend I'll step it up to 12, even 15, and just kind of tune through the boost tables all the way up. Alright, so without touching the tables here, I'm gonna go ahead and make a 9 psi pull. I got the boost cut at 12 psi in case you know, I overspike or anything crazy happens like last time. Take a look at our AFRs and see where we're at. I'm gonna have to go back and watch that. I can't watch the gauge and the camera at the same time, so I'm gonna play back and see where it was. Alright, so I just watched the playback, and it looks like it starts off rich, like at 10, 10.3, and actually ends up at 12.0 up top, like at 7,000 RPMs. So I think 12.0 is just a tad lean. At a low PSI, 12.0 might actually be good, and then once it gets more than there, it can step down to like close to 11.5. Yeah, but it's really rich in the lower RPM, so I'm going to try and lean that up, and maybe it'll help build boost quicker. If maybe it's kind of like flooding out. I tried to lean it out going into boost. I'm going to see if it helped any. Yep, that's not good. God. It's not one thing, it's another, man. I can't just make a couple freaking pulls without some shit going wrong. Damn it. Okay, why is there coolant everywhere? What the hell happened? Jesus Christ. And of course, it's raining right now. Yay. When it rains, it pours. Okay. It like purged all the fucking coolant everywhere. But why? Jesus Christ. Hello.
Hi.
I said get some water, please. Let's see.
It's your online card?
Yes.
Do you need a receipt?
No, it's okay. Thank you. Just hoping I didn't ruin my freaking engine for good. I swear I'm not trying to ruin this engine. It just seems like that. Well, I mean, I'm kind of trying to ruin this engine, but not right now. It's too damn soon, man. Promising all kinds of numbers and horsepower, whatever, 450 horsepower, this and that. Can't even make 10 pounds of boost without fucking messing up, man. Where did all the coolant go? That's what I want to know. It like dumped every last bit of coolant it had. Like something had to have busted. Oh, I see water coming down right here on top of the trans. Yeah, I get a flashlight. There's something is not okay down here. Oh, that hose right there popped. That's what it is. Damn. Oh, it tore something up here. Fuck, man. So, yeah, I need to pretty much top it off. It's like leaking the water as I put it in there. I'm gonna top it off and just try and get this thing home before it blows up. Jesus Christ. You know what, actually, before I just fill it up and haul ass home, I see the tear. It's right at the hose clamp under the distributor. I'm gonna take off the distributor and see if I can get this thing somewhat fixed. before I take off. Here's the hose right here that's leaking. Oh, bastard. Yep, you can see the tear right there. It's like 2 inches long. God damn. Okay, so hopefully I have some pliers or something, which I don't think I do. We'll see what this gas station has to offer. I'm pretty good at MacGyvering stuff together, so this is gonna be a good test to see if I can get myself out of this shitty situation. Thank God I have some old rusty needle nose pliers. God, never thought I'd be so happy to see such a shitty tool. Oh, come on, come on. Fuck. If I could just get this hose off. Don't. Ah, fuck. Got me in the face. Hot. Yeah, so basically I just want to get this hose off, cut it right here, get a clean section, and then just reclamp it onto the water outlet here. Man, I don't have anything to cut it with though. Shit. I don't need your seat, thanks. Alright, luckily I found some scissors. Hopefully this will be strong enough to cut through that hose. Okay. Let's see here. Damn, these are really good scissors for a gas station. Careful not to cut my wire harness. Nice. Okay. God damn, that's still hot. Fuck. My shitty pliers. This is the second time this has happened to me, by the way. I used to have a 95 Honda Civic. Exact same thing happened to me. And I was stranded at a gas station in a bad part of town. Here. And I desperately need water. And let me show you the kind of bullshit that I'm dealing with right now. So I'm grabbing water, this disgusting water from like the you know, little vanities or whatever where you can clean your windshields with the squeegee and all that. So yeah, I'm having to get this nasty ass water, but it's my only freaking option right now. So alright, I'm gonna get the car running and then head to the junkyard. Alright, I actually found where it's leaking. It's leaking its ass off from this little coolant line right here, or coolant hose going to the side of the head. I don't know what it does or what its purpose is, but it's leaking. And a little trick that I got from the late model tech, I cut the hose to where the section is good, and then I'm going to take that off and move it up and clamp it back, because this section just has a big nasty tear at the bottom of the hose. So alright, that's what I'm going to work on right now. I got a clean section of hose on there. Hopefully running this thing with basically zero coolant or water didn't ruin my engine, because it like dumped every last bit of coolant out at once, and the temperature like skyrocketed really fast. Okay, get the hell out of here. Scissors and needle nose pliers save the day. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's see what the hell it does. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. I'm here focusing on the smoke, but I need to get the hell out of here before it dies. Stay alive. I need to get home. It seems to be running okay. yeah, just to be safe, I'm not gonna floor it. I just need to get this damn thing home and reevaluate it when I got daylight and I can see what I'm doing. It got really dark and it's starting to rain. I just want to get home right now. Once again, you've witnessed another Grease Monkey fail. I'm gonna have a good video one of these days. All right, just not today, maybe not this weekend, but I swear I'm gonna put together a good video worth watching. Alright guys, I made it home. Yeah, I don't really have any, I don't even know what to say. I'm just glad I made it home, really. But, yeah, so this weekend, I'm gonna go ahead and compression test it, evaluate it, go over the whole thing, make sure my head gasket isn't blown. Which, the turbo kind of puffing up smoke there, after I let it sit for a while, kind of worries me. Not good, and it did look pretty whitish. Well, then again, it was raining. I don't know. I need a compression test to make sure the head gasket's fine. I need to get some new coolant hoses, new heater hoses or whatever, because they're all old and squishy, and another one could pop at any second now. So I just need to go through my coolant system, replace all those rotted hoses. But yeah, if you like this big fella of a video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.